Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you had a wonderful week so far, that everything is going well. We've got Mercury retrograde that is turning everything upside down, electronics, people's emotions, tempers, everything. So please be patient. Something doesn't want to work, don't get upset. Take a walk, whatever, go have a smoke, go have a drink. Go jump around till you feel better and go and try again. Okay, even with me last night, nothing would work. So, it's just been upside down. I just laugh and I carry on because really, what can you do? What can you do? Okay, so tonight's, the first one that came out is Balsamic Moon, A Time for Healing. Yes, I know we had this one before, but not everybody asks the same questions at the same time. So please be patient. If it comes up again, if it's not for you, just listen, take heed, but don't get upset. Someone else now asked that question, okay? And just again, I'm touching on this. This is not the in-depth garden session with me. An in-depth garden session with me is an hour and a half. I really go in and we talk and I take everything out. Okay, so please don't think that this is the only answer that you need. Rather book your time with me and let's do it the proper way. Okay, the sea is a bit loud tonight, but I can't close the doors. It's very warm, so please excuse the background noises going on here. It's just, you know, we're going retrograde. Okay. Now this card tells you clearly when one is healed, all are healed. And please give attention to it. We need to do our own healing. The past is in the past and a bright future is beckoning, but you need to let go. You can't pull all and everything every time with you into a new relationship, into a new job, into a new position in life, into a new house. You need to think and sit down and realize what you need to let go of. Okay. So before you actually go into the next step of whatever it is that you're planning, make sure the healing is done. It can only be to your advantage. And this is not the time to paper over cracks. Don't try and smooth it over. Don't try and put makeup on it. Don't try to cement it closed. It's not going to work. You can't pretend that everything is okay forever. You're hurting yourself. You're hurting other people. Let go. Cut loose. Let go. Start living. Please. Okay. And anything is possible if you believe in it. You just need to say, I can do this, and then you can do that. Don't go and do stupid things, but you know what I'm saying. And it's also a time to surrender and to wait to hear the guidance of the universe, especially now, in the times that we're in, with the Earth's energy going so high, with the retrograde, the sonics we had from the sun, everything is working together. There's a major download coming in for us. So if you wake up here at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, sit up, don't get cross. Just put your hand over your heart and tell yourself, I'm safe. And then you just say, I'm ready to receive whatever guidance and knowledge is going to be passed down to me. Okay. And you know, I so often speak about this. If you know that someone or something is not good for you, leave. You don't need to stay there. You don't need to prove a point. Really, don't make that mistake. Just up and go. Okay? You can't heal hurt later. Rather prevent the hurt. Start to believe in your dreams so that you're ready when the time is there for your dreams to happen. Okay? Don't when your dream is dumped in your lap, oh, now what am I? No. Mentally prepare yourself. Write it out. Start living as if your dream has already been presented to you. Okay? Act in the manner. If you act correctly, it will be open for you. Think about how the situation would look if everyone is healed. I mean, that is what we're all hoping for and going for. The love, the sensitivity, the honesty, the warmth. That is what we want. And then also it states clearly, patience is required. You can't every time storm in like a bull into a china shop and just step over everything and just obliviate everything. You need to have patience. Listen for guidance. Have patience. And then, okay, when the new moon comes, you need to have your mind made up about where you want to go and what you want to do. Take it a bit easy on yourself. We are so our own worst critics that we talk negatively to ourselves. Just stop it. If you feel those negative thoughts coming in, you go, 1, 2, out the door. I always teach my clients a quite different little rhyme, but yeah, I'm just going to say 1, 2, and out the door. Okay. So, our second one is a personal issue reaches a resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Cancer is also very sensitive. It's also a water sign. It may be best to move forwards in a sideways manner. Again, I just said, don't blunder in like a bull into a china shop and just break everything. Stand back, wait for your guidance. It shows you how the one chord flows onto the other one. Hey, stand back, wait for your guidance, approach it just from a different perspective, and do it in a nice manner. You don't get the proper outcome if you just scream and shout and lose your temper. Okay. Meditate to soothe your heightened emotions. I actually made a video this afternoon on the beach. It wouldn't load, so I'm going to load it later. Don't be clingy. Don't cling on for dear life. The first card also said, time to let go of what hurts you. Yeah, also. Go in the direction that you want to, but stop being clingy. And then stop sulking. It's so easy to go and say, oh, nobody loves me, I'm going to sit in a corner. It doesn't work. It doesn't help you. Open up. Start living. Okay? Get life. That is what we hear about. And then just in short, it's important to be sensitive to other people when you pull this card. There are very fine sensibilities around to tread carefully as you move towards your goals and dreams. Do it in a nice manner. You know, Cancer is a very emotional sign. So, especially with the retrograde now, the explosive emotions and feelings and everything can just come up to the top, and just breathe through it. Do meditation, go run, do push-ups, anything, but get those emotions down. Okay. And it also shows it's an especially feminine time. It's a good time to deal with family issues coming up. It's nothing major, it's just a challenge you had between family members are now subsiding. It's a time for peace in the family. Domestic and private matters are coming to a head. Again, be nice about it. The answer to your question is in being a kind leader. Okay? We all know that you get these leaders that are absolute brutes and bullies, and if you go and look at it, you'll notice that people don't really support them. They're there out of fear. But when it comes to drawing the straws, that person will end up alone and they'll make another group. That's where this comes in, of do it in a nice manner. It's also time for you to agree to step up and overcome your insecurities. We all started at zero. We all, with ninjutsu, we all started at a white belt. Karate, Kung Fu. Kung Fu, you don't even get a belt. Okay? You just get a sash. Like, you'll get, well, we don't really have belts. We just, you get your yellow sash when there's competitions, and when you go and do things with ninjutsu, you get a white belt. And the truth of the matter is that there isn't really a thing like a black belt, because that white belt that they wore weathered so much that eventually it turned into another color to show the experience. And that's where the black belt comes from. So us as souls and humans, we all start out one slate, white, and then you've got all this experience and wonderful things in your life that eventually you're a black belt. Okay, because that white belt is so discolored through all the years. You also get your own black belt. Just be in the moment, start living. Okay? Crawl out of the corner, crawl out of the hole or the cupboard or wherever you are in. Stand up, man up, take life by the horns and start living. Just do it in a nice manner. Also just indicates that all is as it should be. Don't worry, all will soon be well. So just carry on, but remember what I said here. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay, you've got this, you can do this. Just take that step, launch yourself. There was a shoot for the moon, land between the stars. It's also okay, you made it up. Just know that you're heading in the right direction. Tell yourself that you're heading in the right direction and take that step. Stand on your own 2 feet. Don't depend on other people to get you where you want to be. Okay. And it's time, please, 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 it's time to stop obsessing about someone. You must realize the thing about obsessing is you get stuck here. It doesn't do nothing to that person, but it grinds you down. You need to let it go. The previous 2 cards, you see how it works? You need to let it go and you need to start living. You need to face a fear and get over it. Face your fears. How do you face fears? I think that's a good one for tomorrow. I must make a note. Video on how to face your fears. Okay. This is urging you to dare to do something different with your life. Okay, so now you're in one direction, it doesn't work for you. Hitting a wall, hitting a wall, hitting a wall. I always say when you hit the wall, you know it's not your direction. If it doesn't want to work out for you, it's not your direction. Change lanes. Go and do something else that you always wanted to do. Okay. It asks here, are you willing to follow through and lead the life that you were incarnated to live here this time? If you're not going to try, if you're not going to take the jump, you're not going to know. And if you finally get the oomph to take that leap, you're going to ask yourself, why did I wait so long? Okay? And please stop living in other people's boxes. This is a huge, major thing. People tell you, you can't do that, you can't do that, you can't do that. Tear that box to smithereens, burn it. I don't know, just get out of that box where people tell you, oh no, you can't do that. Because firstly, it comes from a place of them, out of jealousy that they're scared you're going to do it better. So please just, get out of that. You see, this is the North Node, is the one that actually shows you what we need to do and where to go with our life to find satisfaction. And this is clearly telling you what you're supposed to do. So it was the first card, the second card, and this card is confirming what your question was, okay? That in order to discover new oceans, we have to be prepared to lose sight of the shore. That's where the second card comes in. Stop being clingy. You'll never see a different side. It will never go better. You'll never have new experiences. You'll never know the joy of finding something else that you're good at, or finding out what a success you are, if you don't let go of the old. Okay. If you want to be happy and fulfilled, you need to get going towards doing the thing that scares you the most. Within reason. Within reason. Don't go and do stupid stuff. You've got a healthy mind. You've got free will. Are you using it? What more can I say? All three of these cards actually tonight answered so many questions. So hopefully in these three, you're getting your answers. Okay, me, myself, also when I don't know, I pull my Moonology and I get my answers. Okay, please, I'm asking you nicely, when you watch the video, please just like it. Like and share. TikTok, Instagram, you're on Facebook. Please, I need the actions for this algorithm. It's kicking me out. I don't know what's going on, but please be so kind as to just like, love, share, ask a question underneath the video, post something if you want to, but please help me out with this. I also need to grow, because this is my income, this is what I do. Okay, so just once again, retouch on this. This is not a direct full reading. A full reading is an hour and a half that I sit with you and I focus just on you and I work with just you. So please be so kind as to make use of the special that we've got going on at present. Why are you not making use of it? And then also book your session. Let's get your healing done. Let's get you moving forward. Okay, that's why I'm here. I've accepted it. You need to accept what you need to do. Okay. And sorry, everything that could go wrong today, cleaning, retrograde, there goes the nails. It'll be okay again. Keep well and look after yourself. Bye.